Understanding simple English phrases. Lunch was delicious. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very common phrase you might hear in everyday conversations. Lunch was delicious. This simple sentence carries a lot of meaning and is a great way to express your enjoyment of a meal. Let's dive in and understand not just what it means, but how you can use it in your own conversations. Lunch was delicious is a straightforward sentence that is easy to understand once we break it down. Lunch refers to the meal that people eat in the middle of the day, typically after breakfast and before dinner. Was is the past tense of the verb to be, indicating that we're talking about a past event. Delicious is an adjective that means something tastes very good. It's a way to express that you really enjoyed the taste of the meal. When combined, this phrase tells the listener that the speaker had lunch, and that lunch was very enjoyable because of how it tasted. You might wonder when exactly you should use the phrase, lunch was delicious. Here are a few scenarios. After eating a meal at a restaurant, you can say this to your companions or the staff to express your satisfaction. If you're a guest at someone's house, this is a polite way to compliment the host's cooking. In a casual conversation about recent experiences, especially when discussing food or dining out. Remember, using this phrase not only communicates that you enjoyed the meal but also shows appreciation and politeness towards the person who prepared or chose the meal. To keep your English conversations interesting and diverse, here are a few variations of the phrase that convey a similar sentiment. The lunch was fantastic. That meal was excellent. Our lunch was very enjoyable. These variations can be used interchangeably, depending on the context and the level of enthusiasm you wish to convey. We hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and usage of the phrase, lunch was delicious. Remember, practicing these phrases in your daily conversations can greatly improve your English communication skills. Don't hesitate to use them to express your enjoyment of a meal and to compliment the cook. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more helpful videos on English language learning. Happy learning!